Hi, dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to solve a mathematical problem under the topic statistics. So the problem is fit a straight line to the following data. So here they have given the values of x and y. So x values are 0, 8, 16, 24, 32 and y values are 30, 36, 44, 50 and 60. So by using this data, we need to find the fit a straight line. That is, we need to find the equation of straight line. We are going to use least square method. So first, we write the equation of straight line. That is y equal to ax plus b. So we number this as equation number 1. Now, since the data looks like it is large one, so we are going to resize it. That means reduce this data into smaller size. So for this, what we do is we convert these variables x and y into u and v respectively. So we write u as u equal to xi minus. We are going to subtract all the values of xi from the middle value. That is, we will take 16 here. So xi minus 16. And v as y minus yi minus the corresponding value, that is middle value 44. So we are going to subtract 44 from all the values of yi. Now this equation 1, since we have changed the variables x and y into u and v respectively, so this equation 1 will become, y will become v equal to a into u plus b. So number this as equation number 2. Now we are going to find the tabular column. So we will form a tabular column because we are going to write normal equations. So the normal equations, since we have changed the variables x and y into u and v respectively, the normal equations will also change. So the normal equations will be a into sigma ui plus nb equal to sigma vi. So number this is equation number 3. And the next equation, that is, since this is the first normal equation, and second normal equation will be a into sigma ui square plus b into sigma ui equal to sigma ui into vi. So number this is equation number 4. Now we are going to find these values of sigma ui and as well as sigma vi and sigma ui square and sigma ui vi by using tabular form. So first we will write the table values. So we are going to write the columns here. First column will be x value, that is given in the problem. Second column will be y values, and the third column we are going to write, that is ui, and then here vi, and next column will be ui square, and last one will be ui vi. So we are going to find one by one. So first column, that is x, that is already given in the problem. So we are going to take those values of x given in the problem, that is 0, 8, 16, 24, 32. And here we are going to take y values, that is 30, 36, 44, 50, 60. Now I am going to find ui values. Since we have taken here u as xi minus 16. So I am going to subtract all the values of x from 16. So 0 minus 16 is minus 16, 8 minus 16 is minus 8, 16 minus 16 is 0, 24 minus 16 is 8, 32 minus 16 is 16. So sigma ui will be 0. Now vi. So what is vi here? We have taken yi minus 44. So I am going to subtract all the values of y from 44. So 30 minus 44 will be minus 14. Then 36 minus 44 will be minus 8. Then 44 minus 44 is 0. 50 minus 44 is 6. 60 minus 44 is 16. So add all these values. You are going to get sigma vi is 0. Now next column, I am going to find ui square. That means I have to square all the values of ui. So minus 16 square is, since minus will become positive, plus 16 square is 256. And here also minus 8 into minus 8, because minus will be positive. So 8 square is 64. 0 square is 0. 8 square again here it is 64. 16 square is 256. So if you add all these values, you will get sigma ui square equal to 640. And here now ui vi. So I am going to multiply this 16 into 14. So you will get, since minus into minus, plus, so 224. And 8 jar, that is 64. And here 0 jar is 0, and 8 6 jar is 48, and here 16 is 16, that is 256. So I am going to add all these values, sigma ui vi. I am going to get 592. So I got all these values, just put this in tabular column. Just I am putting lines here so that everything will be separated. And also it looks nice. So just put vertical lines like this. So everything is got separated. Now I am going to substitute all these values in this equations 3 and 4. So third equation will become, so equation 3 becomes, so A into sigma UA is 0. So A into 0 plus N. N is the number of observation that is given in the problem. So how many observations they have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So N value is 5. So 5 into B equal to sigma VA. That is also 0 by our table value. So this will be 5B equal to 0. This implies B equal to 0. So we got one value. And the next, again substitute all these table values in equation number 4. So equation 4 becomes, so A into sigma UI square. What is sigma UI square? That is 640 plus B into sigma UI, that is 0. So B into 0 equal to, now sigma UI VA, that is also 592. So this will be 640 A, and B is also 0, 0 into 0, 0. So you get 640 A equal to, so you get 640 A equal to 592. So what is A here? This implies A equal to 592 by 640. By using cancellation, we'll get A equal to 0.92. So I got A value also. Now what I do is, I will substitute these values of A and B in equation number 2. So equation 2 becomes, so V equal to AU. So what is A here? 0.92 U plus B. What is B? B is 0. So I am going to get V equal to 0.92 U. Now what is V here? We have taken V as y minus 44. So right here y minus 44 equal to 0.92 into U. What is U here? U is x minus 16. So this will be y equal to, so take this part 4 to that side. So y equal to 0.92x. Next multiply this 16 into 92. So you'll get 16 to 32. So I'm going to get 14.72. Plus, since I have taken this minus 4 to that side, it will be 44 plus 44. So I'm going to get y equal to 0.92x. Now plus 44 minus 14.72, I am going to get plus 29.28. So 29.28. So this is the solution for this problem. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Anand Takshashila for further updates. Thanks for watching my video.